Hello, everybody. This is Anderson of Bimser International. We are a passionate enterprise software maker bringing the best solution ideas since 1998. Based in New York, we are an American company upholding a strong presence in the global marketplace with many reputable references across all verticals and industries. We are the only company offering 4 unique products that can work independently, with each other, or with any other ERP or CRM system. We have been serving thousands of companies to help them simplify their processes and to be their partner in digital transformation. We offer flexibility, options, and agility to your organization so that you can reduce cost, increase revenue, and manage risk. You can contact us at any time to learn how you can get your company started on digital transformation. In this video, we've taken the extra step to present to you the powerful integrated capabilities of our Quality Risk and Compliance Management System, QDMS, along with our Assets and Maintenance Management System, BEAM. This is achievable thanks to our Transactional Content Management System, eBA. On top of being able to manage workflows behind form distributions and documentation, we can now directly access QDMS to operate our audits or action plans in compliance to quality standards. The same goes for BEAM. We can manage our work orders and other asset management needs within the same portal. The combination and native accessibility of these tools within eBA brings an overall power structure for any company's journey through digital transformation. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like it, please be sure to subscribe. You can also contact us directly to schedule for a free demonstration of eBA. Again, this is Anderson of Bimser International. Thank you for listening.